You people must have heard the name of Chadir Pahar. Today I am creating this sculpture inspired by this name. So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am going to make a boat which is similar to Mountain of the Moon. I am making a basic shape of boat by clay. In the middle of the boat, I am making a hole. Then I am creating the half moon by clay, which will I put in the middle of the boat. Now I am printing the texture of the stone on this board. You have to press a bit so that the texture reflect on the board properly. Once it is dry, then using white acrylic color on the moon. Now I am coloring the board by black acrylic. I am taking this aqua green color on a dry brush and move gently on the texture. Then I am using fixative to make it more glossy. And now I am ready with the board which represent mountain of the moon. I hope you guys like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.